All right, downtown Appleton. We got some glass elevators where I'm not going to go quite far enough over to see what they are because Jason wants to surprise me. But one of them's coming down. So once these people get out, we'll see what these are.
It's kind of like some boring elevator. Actually, it's kind of look like Montgomery's.
I doubt that.
Like war Montgomery's. Just in crowd.
Hey, we both get our own elevator.
Alright, let's right so let's go down to LL. LL's the box, so we're up to 7.
Get your Jason narrating for the other cab. Hey Jason, you want to switch?
Sure. I'll write this one back in.
Hey Jason, hit 7. I want to get a shot of both of them going up.
I just hit 7.
Oh, you did? I didn't hit 7 of mine.
A little out of sync.
We both had the same idea, but I didn't commit. Pretty cool though.
Actually. Is that blue I see, or am I just... I think these might have been Dover. See the blue in there? I don't have my flashlight
I can't see a thing.
So, I don't know. I need to actually go investigate these a bit more so I don't get a bunch of angry comments on me. Oh, actually, it's one of these because of this. So let's take a look at those in depth. But those are still cool. Oh, here it comes back down.
I guess they park.
Yep. Oh, here comes the other one.
I guess they both park. That was fun.
All right, that's it. All right. These were Dovers. Actually, you can tell like this kind of gives me like this is a Dover PI. That's why originally I was like ThyssenKrupp Montgomery. I don't know what the heck these are. They're Dover. Just kind of modded though with these like weird buttons. So, all right, cool.